gasket in here. Another one. I also cover these holes. Those open holes there. Put this back in here. Real nice. Just gonna cover it real nice. I'm done. Looks pretty good down there. Just letting that dry down there. So it's gonna get hard. Let all that's to dry. Put a new gasket. Weather strip down on the bottom of the door. Looks pretty good. And let's shop it in. Let's shop it pretty good. So tight. Closing it pretty tight because right now that gasket is making it a little bit tight, too tight. Where now you're gonna have to push it. Yeah. But it's all right now. It's better than before. You're gonna be all right. You're not gonna have struggle. So you're good. So.